Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super exciting topic. In this video, I'm about to unveil 3 fantastic apps that will help you turn your internet connection into a money-making machine. No skills or experience required. It's that easy. These apps are all about web scraping, a technique used to gather data from popular websites like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. These platforms restrict the number of requests from a single IP address, and that's where you come in. You've got a valuable asset, your unique IP address, and people are willing to pay for it. Now, let's dive straight into these apps, how they work, and how you can start earning money. No need to wait. Let's get right to it. Pawns. This is one of my personal favorites. Pawns provides you with clear information about IP usage and your expected earnings. All you need to do is let the app run in the background, and you can earn up to $10 per month. It might not make you a millionaire, but it's a simple and hassle-free way to earn money when your mobile or computer is not in use. HoneyGain. Similar to Pawns, HoneyGain lets you share your internet connection and earn money without breaking a sweat. However, keep in mind that you can't run multiple such apps simultaneously. You can use a single internet connection to generate income from multiple sources, making it an efficient way to maximize your earnings. Proxy Network Packet Stream. This app takes a slightly different approach. It allows you to become a packet seller, and you'll earn around 10 cents for every gigabyte of data you provide. Given the relatively low cost of internet access in Pakistan, selling data can be quite profitable. If you set up multiple laptops with affordable internet connections like PTCL or Jazz, you can easily generate substantial income without requiring any specific skills or technical knowledge. So don't miss out on this opportunity to earn from your internet connection. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting ways to boost your income. Thanks for watching.